Morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is vlog day 5. Well, day 6 if we're going on Dean's travel days.
It's day 6.
So we're just walking to the front building so that we can go and get my mum and dad and the bus. Patrick Kylie, they're going to meet us there. And today is actually a water park day. So that's us starting 4 days of early entry. So we thought, let's have a long lie and then go to the water park. It was sunny about 10 minutes ago, but it's now not sunny. So that's a wee bit rubbish. So we are here waiting for the bus and we are going to head to Blizzard Beach. Me and Dean went to Typhoon Lagoon and my mum and dad went to Typhoon Lagoon last year when we went to the water park. So it is Blizzard Beach for us today since we've not been in absolute years and years. And yeah, so this is the outfit of the day. I've got my t-shirt that my mum got me on and then some white linen shorts. And yeah, we're all super excited. Hopefully the sun comes out even just for a wee bit. And we're going to have some fun at Blizzard Beach. Right guys, so I've made it to
Blizzard Beach.
We had to wait so long because the first shuttle was actually full because it goes and collects each of the All-Star ones. So there must have already been some people with like wheelchairs or ATVs. So we had to wait a wee bit longer than hoped. And it's really loud. But we're here now, we're ready. We've not been to Blizzard Beach in like so long, like 10 years or something.
Yeah.
So we're really excited. Different type of park to Typhoon Lagoon and yeah guys. So we'll see you guys inside the park. Yeah. Like 10 years ago though.
Alright, so are you new with Magic Bands?
No.
Okay, so you know the good water thing about them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Right guys, first protocol was to get some brunch, so we've got chicken tenders and chips from me and Dean. Seems to be a staple, and then we've got barbecue sauce, some salt, and Dean's get his tomato ketchup. And then we went with ice cold Sprite to share. Right, so my mum got veggie chicken strips and chips.
And a cutie.
And a cutie. Dad, what did you
And a
get?
juice.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger, Kylie. You got a turkey sandwich. Patrick?
Got flatbread.
That
looks really good.
Chicken.
Chicken flatbread for Patrick, and then you got a bacon
cheeseburger and chips.
and chips. Right guys, we're doing the Lazy River first. That's you guys' favourite, isn't it?
Yes.
Lazy River.
I'm just hoping that there's chairs.
The ones that we had at Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah.
Voluntary soaking.
Hope you enjoyed.
Go. So guys, we're all just chilling here on the Lazy River. There's Mr. Dean. And then Archie's like back there just doing his own thing with a different family. He always goes with a different family at the water parks. We're going under the water park. go!
Three, two, one.
Your hair. River. We're at the lazy river and we're going on the slide. Don't know what slide we're going on first, but we're going on it. I think we're going on the purple slide. Oh, they have a wave pool.
Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Loved it last night.
So yeah guys, let's go on the purple slopes.
Ma'am, this is a £300 weight limit. I don't weigh no 300 pounds. I weigh 165.
Are you wearing bottoms?
Wearing bottoms. I'll show you how a bitch come down slide.
I'm not scared. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was so good. Oh my god! Right, Dean, what was your opinion on those?
Unbelievable.
They were so good.
They were so good.
I don't really ever remember being on those, but I think I remember going on like the down one, but not the twisty turning. I loved the twisty turning one, but even the down, it looks pure scary, but it's actually not as scary as you think.
Good.
So
What's that?
we really enjoyed them. We're going to head to the wave pool now for a wee bit, and then we've still got more rides to go on. It's really not busy at all, and it's absolutely peeing it down, but it is a wee bit cold, but it doesn't really matter as much because it's like you're still wet anyway. It would be nice if the sun came out for a wee bit, but yeah guys, so this one was also good, but Kylie went absolutely flying off it. And she really hurt herself, so the rest of the family have went away back into the
Lazy River.
lazy river. We love the wave pool at H2O Glow, so we're going back in there for a wee while, plus that can heat you up a wee bit as well. So yeah guys, that is the next plan. These are my favourite type of waves guys, you just float over them. So to get out of the water guys. Oh no!
Oh no.
That's like just got in as well, so that's quite
Shark in the
gutting.
water. The shark's in the water.
Time to get out.
Yeah.
Oh,
The full park shutting.
yeah, so
I've not seen this before.
the Thunder and Lightning must be like within like 6 or 7 miles, so that'll probably be it shot for the rest of the day. And to be fair, it did say thunderstorms, so yeah guys. But I mean, at least we got on a couple of rides.
Yeah.
I'm glad that we did those. But yeah, everybody's leaving the pool now. So guys, there's Thunder and Lightning still going on. We're trying to find the rest of the family who don't know where the Scoot Scoot is, because once you find the Scoot Scoot, you found them.
It's over there. There's a scoot there.
But we're going to try find them. We'll let you know when we've found them, and
There's a scoot
I think that will be the party shot for the rest of the day pretty much. So yeah.
Yeah.
Sissy, look at this top. It's Mum, you and me. Right guys, we've just missed the bus, so we're going to need to sit there, but it's good that it's got a wee bit of
Nondi,
shade.
Top, Guy, Patrick, and
And the brook.
Brooke is on that.
There is a Peter Pan one as well, guys. I don't know they'll be on that, to be honest. But anyways, at least the hotel's like 5-minute drive, so it won't even be that long. And not only that, but we'll definitely get a spot in the next bus because we're the first people. But yeah, so heading back to the hotel now. It was funny because I actually said to Dean he was wanting to go on the lazy river and stuff again with them, and I said no, let's try go on some rides because it looks as if it's about to thunder and lightning. And quite frankly it did start thundering and lightning. So yeah, there's actually quite a couple of people waiting at our bus stop already.
What? It's not a bus stop.
Oh, is it not?
You're 9.
We're number 9. Well,
You remember these 2 people?
no.
From other bus trips.
But yeah guys, so heading back to the hotel now, and there's a wee bit gutting it was raining, but it is what it is. Right guys, we've decided to get off at All Star Music and we're going to walk over. We did this yesterday, it's quite close and it saves like, because the guy needs to wait for everybody to get off, pull out, drive to the next hotel, wait for everybody to get off, and
It's freezing on that bus.
it's so cold on the bus, so it's warmer outside. So we are rushing over to our hotel. We're in our water shoes and I've got my bikini on and Dean's got his shorts with no t-shirt on.
Well, we lost the family because we never.
We've lost the family, so we're either going to go home and they're going to be there, or we're going to go home and they're not, and they're going to still probably be at the water park waiting for us. Although we did speak to them and they did say just go back if you need to, because obviously we didn't have our phones and stuff, we only had the camera. So yeah, we are basically, that's us here already. So when I started the camera we were out getting off the bus, and now that's us here at Mighty Ducks already. So especially if we were at the room that we had last year, then we would basically be at our room already, but the room this year is a wee bit further away from the pool but still closer. And as we're coming up to the Mighty Ducks pool as well, you can already see that it's shut. Dean was asking would it be open, I said no. And I think the rule is basically that there needs to be no lightning strikes within 30 minutes closer than 10 miles. And there was basically one right above us where we were at the water park, and that was probably about half an hour ago, I think. So yeah, there's a pool, soaking inside. But yeah guys, so thank God the camera's waterproof and nobody's really out, so we're going to head back to the hotel. The plan is get some snacks, go for a shower, do some editing, and then tonight we're going to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Probably. Again,
Hopefully.
don't take my plans as gospel truth because I don't really know, but I think that's the plan. Then we're heading to Tron for the first time because we never done Tron last year, so we'll try to tick off the rides that we never done last year. So
Hopefully we get to do all this because we don't know what the weather or
Yeah.
the thunder and lightning or
because we do have Chef Mickey's in the morning, so, and then we've got Magic Kingdom again, so depending, we're supposed to obviously be doing fireworks today, but we might not actually get to do the fireworks because the thunder and lightning can sometimes call it off.
yeah.
Or even if the rain is really bad. So hopefully we do get to watch fireworks because I would love to watch them tonight. But we'll just need to wait and see what happens with the plans and stuff. So yeah guys, that is the updated where we're at. We're basically at the hotel room now, so that just shows you it's probably about a 2 or 3 minute walk from the music bus. And yeah, so thank you so much for listening to mine and Dean's wee spiel.
Yeah.
And we'll see you when we're back in the room. So it's close to 7 and we're heading over to Disney Springs for the first time. Well, first time we're going into it. First time for everybody else actually even going, but first time going into it. So we're going to go. We bought Planet Hollywood vouchers off a Groupon a wee while ago, and so we've got some money to spend there, so that's what we're going to have for dinner. And we pretty much chilled in the room for like 2 and a bit hours because when we were at the water park there was lightning, so we had to come home. And so I managed to get another vlog done, and Dean went for a sleep, my mum and dad went for a sleep, pretty much everybody just went to sleep. But now still wet looking, but not as wet. I mean, it's not raining yet. So yeah, Dean shows your outfit.
Barbecue?
There's a spin. He's got the hat on, he's borrowing Patrick's hat. I've got on a bandeau and then a, what do you call this, overall?
Dungarees.
Dungarees. And tonight's colour, if you can tell, is purple, because we were supposed to be going to the fireworks, but it is supposed to rain again, so we've just decided Disney Springs for dinner would be a better option. That way we can go there. I think Brooke wants to get a magic band, and we'll go into some of the shops and maybe get like a dessert or something. So it's been quite a slow paced day, to be honest, which is probably what we needed. And then tomorrow we've got Chef Mickey's, like I mentioned earlier. So we're just heading for the bus now, and then we'll be on our way to Disney Springs. So this is the juice station that we'll be going to, guys. It has Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, High C, vitamin water, root beer, Fanta, Minute Maid, and then your 3 Moss corner ones again. My dad's just filling up the juice. So yeah, we get free refills until the 13th. And then we've got all your then we've got the, can't even remember what that's called, but you know, sweet tea. And then they also do coffee, hot chocolate and stuff. But it is very busy in here because it's dinner time. Yeah, I showed them. And then they've got the hot chocolate as well. Right, give us a fit check, everybody. Dad's got this t-shirt, it looks like something out of Monsters Inc. Mum, let's see your dress.
Oh my god.
Patrick.
Pockets. You missed my pockets.
Sorry, pockets.
I used to drink it, but I used to do it.
Kaylee, and we need to close up for the sparkles on the dress. And then
Don't forget
Brooke,
sparkles in that ring.
and the sparkles on our ring. Brooke,
sparkles in
Mr.
the
Dean,
shoes.
you've gave one, but you can give another.
Purple top,
wrong
black
with
shorts.
The shoes.
Shoes, hat,
Chocolate.
hat.
Hat.
It's unusual. You stole Patrick's hat for a night, borrowed it.
Don't forget my Flynn hat.
Oh, and Dad wants to show you his Flynn hat, which he bought yesterday at Tron. This is my fit check. I've got on an overall and then the bandeau t-shirt that I showed you. 5 minutes ago, my nipple was hanging out in the shop. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist ya? We parted, why did I ever let you go? No?
Getting Donald.
Not Daisy. Daisy would have suited us as well.
I know.
Suits Dad, to be fair.
Mickey Mummy dance.
Whoa, that bum.
Mr. Dean and his Kim K bum.
Oh! brake checked me there. What? Yeah. We don't. Queue for chicken guy under Planet Hollywood, and then the Coca-Cola shop over there, Wolfgang Puck Bar. I don't know, I think that's supposed to be good.
Let the storm rage on.
That's like right at us. Mummy.
That's it.
Right guys, so we're at Planet Hollywood and we've all got drinks and food. And we were just talking about you, McCracky, and how that TV would be so big for you to watch your number blocks on. So me and my mum have gone for half and half. We are doing pasta and chicken. My dad, you're doing ribs. Burger. Cheeseburger. Mac and cheeseburger. Pasta, lasagna, ribs and
Steak.
for dinner.
The wind is
howling like a swirling storm inside.
I can only see 2 bits of the words.
Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Cause you don't feel, don't let them know. Well now they know. Let go, let go. Can't hold it back anymore. Reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. I'm happy. Sweet Caroline.
What's your bag?
Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. Guys, we've just sang that song that I can't remember the name of, but we've got the pasta here. We've got the chicken which come on the bone, and I did not know it came on the bone, but we're happy.
What is that?
But my dad's burger. Caroline. No. That's it.
Lasagna.
That's the lasagna. It's nice. Then we've got sardines, steak. Is it the Addams Family? Right guys, so we are now out of dinner, everybody else is away home and we are here in World of Disney. So I thought I would show you some of the bits that's inside. Look, it's cars.
That's cool, isn't it?
That is cool.
Aye, that's really cool.
They have that one and then they also have this which I think is so cool. Look. And it's got the stuff. Spides. And the Monsters University one as well, Cracky.
Just don't.
Crazy Socks?
No,
No?
we're not wasting money.
They have the Hehe and Poa. You could get a big Star Wars, Darth Vader or Kylo Ren for £139. Spides. Spides glasses, Spides toys. Lots of Spides, Macaque. Oh, look at these. This is like a bubble RC car, but I don't know how much it costs, so we'll try to check.
$50.
$50, that's pretty good.
That's not too bad.
They also have the car with the tip and cool. You like wind them and then they go woo. How much is that? That's $30. I think that's quite good. $50, you can actually get plain red chocks and put a gibbet on it. Yeah, I've seen this truck again. I think it's really cool. Look at this hat.
Auntie, look.
Oh, my backpack.
Make it match.
How much was this? This is $40. I paid £6.
Did you?
Yeah. Dino, look!
It's you.
I got a Vex hat on.
Give me your wah. Really?
No. Look, guys.
What are we getting them in?
It's the Coco, like the guitar. That's so cool. Guys, look at this. It's a cute baby girl. I feel like if I was like a baby now, Charmaine, you would get me this.
Right.
Look, it's a baby jumper. It's $30 too.
Get one. I want to go on it.
Right guys, we're out. Oh, we see Edela sandwich. But we're going to go into Once Upon a Toy.
eBay.
But we're going to go into Once Upon a Toy just because it looks cool basically. You got Mr. Potato Head and Play-Doh and then Buzz. Forky! Sherbet. You can get sherbet.
No.
What's that? Sweet birthday cake, Charmaine. Sherbet. Spades and spades. This on the go playset, it's like the Lightning McQueen one and then it's got Flo's Cafe inside it. What's this one?
This one is...
Oh, it's the Hudson Hornet Radiator Springs one. This one is the stretch guy. Ramon's Body Shop. Is there no more? Oh, the green one. Yeah, cool. So we're going to eat a sandwich and we're going to get the frozen hot chocolate because I've seen this in a couple of different places. And I really want to try it, so we're going to go and get it. Guys, they never had the frozen hot chocolate, the machine was off, so I'm a bit gutted, but didn't get brownie bites to try, so...
I'm winning here.
Taste test. Good or bad? Because that's not promising. You've no went, oh my god, that's so good.
That is unbelievable. Taste a bit.
Okay, we're going guys.
That is unbelievable. It's still a wee bit soft.
They're really good. Really good. They're tasty. Ooh, when it's like sitting in your mouth, then you get a proper taste. They're good, guys.
You can feel it.
You can feel it now, it's closer. Braving this, you're going to see if it's hot water. It is steaming.
I'm not.
You're not?
I done you right.
You're not. Big shot though, sissy. Go, just quickly. 3, 2, 1.
It's freezing.
Is it?
Absolutely.
It's like a boat restaurant, I think.
Yeah.
Look at this wall. famous Florida citrus. Let me get a photo. Guys, we're passing the Starbucks that's got the tree built into the building, but it's actually not open yet. Well, it's getting refurbished. So, but that's the Starbucks with the tree and the balloon up there. Look.
I love it. I'm buying something for you.
Knew this would be a bit dim, so I thought I'd bring them to the shop so that you can see all the football shirts. This one, I think this one's cool. Pinstripe.
I think that's like a good woman. You get me?
Yeah. Arsenal team.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of Arsenal.
I like that one. So guys, we've just been in the Pelly shop. I thought I should do that because I remember that I really used to enjoy it. So I thought I would show him it. He was going to get one of the t-shirts. It was between Inter Miami or Inter Milan, but AC Milan, but it ended up we never got one because they were like $140 or something.
Quite dear.
But now we're here at Salt and Straw, and this is an ice cream shop that I've seen on Hannah Marsh's YouTube, and we're going to try it. Right guys, so I've just been into Salt and Straw, which is the place that I seen Hannah Marsh get. Was it Hannah Marsh or was it? Can't even remember the name of the other vloggers that I watch. The Rowan family, the Rowan vlogs. I'd watched them and they got that and they said it was unreal. I went and tried it and oh my god, it is absolutely unreal. It is like salty malty chocolate chip cookie dough, and oh my god, it genuinely, no word I lie, the best ice cream I've ever had in my life. So yeah, that is what I bought from there, and honestly it's unreal. So I'm going to let Dean try it once he comes back from the bathroom because he actually had to go to the toilet. But yeah, so cost me like $7, but honestly to me it's worth the $7. It's unreal. Right guys, Dean's going to try the cookie dough ice cream. It's so good, like it's the best ice cream I've ever had in my life. I'm being serious.
Sounds good.
It's so flavoursome.
Wow.
How good is that?
That is unbelievable. That's like, see the Joy Pots used to get?
Yeah.
That's like the caramel one.
And cookie dough ice cream mixed together. It's so good, isn't it?
Aye, unbelievable.
Guys, before you even see what's coming, just try and guess what's happening right now.
No way. I actually just said it. I just said it. Imagine that come back round and it's all Star Movies.
You did actually say that, guys. It was literally sitting right there for ages.
Oh, so buzzing. There's just no way. There's no way. Oh, I'm so happy.
Guys, Dean just got a photo with this bus. You buzzing? The guy literally waited so Dean could take a photo with the bus, which is super nice and super cool of him as well. So
It's just the way it happened. Like, I seen it go by. It was
sitting across for us for ages, and you said.
Imagine if I come back and it takes us back home.
Yeah, because it was like starting to circle, and he was like, "Imagine that circled and became our bus."
And it did. It came back and brought us back home.
That was so cute.
That was weird, but good.
And you should have seen his face when he was like. And I was like, what? And he was like, it's our bus.
I just seen the movies, I seen the old stars and then I went out changing.
Yeah.
Movies.
That's awesome, but I don't know because we don't normally really get buses with decals, and then we've had two today. We had Donald on the way here, and then we had Toy Story on the way back. So yeah, that was quite cool. Right guys, so that is us back home from Disney Springs. that last wee portion was just me and Dean. Obviously we had dinner with everybody at Planet Hollywood. Thought the food was really good. I've got like a full chicken breast and a full portion of pesto pasta in the house, to be fair.
It was so much
How
food, wasn't it?
good was your steak?
Oh, unbelievable steak. But next time I'm not getting the barbecue ribs. I'm not a massive barbecue fan, but the ribs were unbelievable. It just melted in your mouth.
Yeah.
I had a wee bit of Brooks.
Brooke
but it
had
just melted in my mouth.
the barbecue ribs and Dean loved them. So
Oh, brilliant.
Dean wants to get them because we've got like enough vouchers to go twice, so we've planned to go there twice. So that's us done the first one, so we're going to go there again, and we'll probably have enough to get a dessert. Although Dean did get the brownie bites and I got the ice cream. I'm a wee bit gutted I never got the frozen hot chocolate, but I'm going to definitely make sure that I try that before we go home.
Yeah, we've all go back. We've probably got to get bits and bobs, haven't we?
Yeah.
Anyway.
But it was nice to have a look around the shops and see all the t-shirts and all the kids stuff and stuff. So
My part ticked off the list, didn't it, for myself?
yeah, so I really enjoyed the night at Disney Springs. And then obviously it was a wee bit gutting having to be sent home early from the water park because of the thunderstorms. But
to be fair, it kind of did work out positive because we got to get a nap.
yeah, and I
And get
managed to
ourselves
finish a
re-energised.
vlog and stuff.
And
So
even like tonight, it was a chilled night. It's a wee bit different, just be chilled, relaxing because you don't get the days off because you're normally walking about the park, standing in queues. You know what I mean?
yeah, and
Everything.
tomorrow we have Chef Mickey's.
Yeah.
So you'll need to wait and see for that and the outfits and stuff. That should be fun. And
Can we
wait,
tell them what colour we're wearing?
no, keep
No.
it a surprise.
Okay.
Keep it a surprise. So tomorrow we've got Chef Mickey's, and then I think we're supposed to be going to Magic Kingdom again. Don't take it as gospel truth. I've
Yeah.
told you this before, but should be Magic Kingdom. Maybe try to get on like Tron or Space Mountain and stuff like that. Do a couple of shows.
Fingers crossed the weather stays.
Yeah,
Good.
hopefully the weather
Hope-
stays nice. So, although to be fair, see between like I don't really know, but for when we came in the room and left the room, that was it cleared up. By the way, guys, I'm just going to show you the view. It looks incredible. Probably doesn't do it justice on the camera right enough, but
Nah.
yeah. So Chef Mickey's tomorrow, Magic Kingdom. Can't remember what it is at night time, but
I want to say Epcot.
Epcot. Dean's thinking. Oh, it is. It's around the world. Well
I thought it was
done.
around the world.
It is. It's around the world, so that will be a great vlog for you guys. And that is pretty much us. Heading back into the room, just down there, and that will be us for the night. Twos are quite tired. It's currently 11:45, which is a late night, but if we could get in bed before 12, then that'll be great. Dean's going to go and get some juice, and that'll be us. So, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I'm sure this will probably be a shorter one than usual, but we appreciate you watching it. So, thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Good night.